In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Perplexity AI app in just 5 minutes. Whether you're tech savvy or just starting out, these simple steps will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to visit the Microsoft Store. If you're using a Windows device, the Microsoft Store is your go-to hub for downloading apps, games, and more. Simply open your Start menu and look for the Microsoft Store icon, which usually resembles a shopping bag with a Windows logo on it. Clicking on this icon will take you straight to the store's homepage. Next, once you have the Microsoft Store open, use the search bar, usually located at the top right corner of the window, to look for the Perplexity AI application. Just type in Perplexity AI and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of related apps, and you should see Perplexity AI appear as one of the top search results. Click on the app to go to its product page on the Microsoft Store. Now that you're on the Perplexity AI page, you'll notice a Get button. This is typically a blue icon prominently displayed on the page. Clicking on this button will initiate the download and installation process of the app. It's a good idea to ensure your internet connection is stable at this point, as a reliable connection will help the download proceed without hitches. Once the installation is complete, the next step is to open the app. You can easily find it in your Start menu. Simply click on the Start menu icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, and you should see Perplexity AI listed among your recently added or newly installed programs. Click on it to launch the application. Upon opening the app for the first time, you'll be prompted to log in or create a new account. If you're new to Perplexity AI, click on the option to create a new account. This usually involves providing an email address and setting a password, so make sure you have these details handy. If you already have an account, simply use your existing credentials to log in. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you now have the Perplexity AI app installed and ready to use. Feel free to explore its features and see how it can enhance your workflow or learning processes. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.